6 minus 1 gives us 5. And here inside this parenthesis we have 6 minus 4, which equals 2. So 5 times 2 gives us 10. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 6 minus 4, which equals 2. So 6 minus 1, then times 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 2 is just 2. So 6 minus 2, which equals 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 4.